Hello! In this video, we're going to be learning about how to manage the waiting list. Now, from the appointment book right here, you can click on the waiting list, which is the little chair icon right here. And you can add a patient to the waiting list by clicking here and searching for a patient. In this case, we'll find Frank Polino, and you can specify what he is expecting. So he wants to be with this professional. He's available on these days, and it's urgent and wants to come to this particular business location. Once you're added, the patient is right here, and if you click on the three dots, you can see the details, and that's pretty much it to add a patient to the waiting list. Now, another method is by clicking on the time slot as if you were going to book someone, and you can search for a patient like so, and you can add them to the waiting list directly from there. Okay, if you want to book somebody from the waiting list, you can select from the list here, and then you'll have your patients from the list, and you can book them. And when you book them, you can release them from the waiting list. That's it. So now you have a way to manage your waiting list, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to share and subscribe to the channel to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Bye bye now.